Hey everybody, we got a new action figure. Y'all been waiting for it. We already got Edge. Y'all saw him, I think. Yeah, y'all should have saw him already. In the Royal Rumble. So, please welcome. Hold up.
I really could use this for a craft. Vince, do you think I can use this for a craft?
If you want to.
I can make boxes into a craft. I'm using this as a craft. Really nice.
I'll find you a box. How many sliders y'all want? What's up one?
How many what?
You want sliders?
Yes.
Ham and cheese sliders. And do you want some baked beans?
We never planned on baked beans.
Huh?
We talked about that earlier.
Here we go.
A new clinical study showed
You don't have to eat them, but Mookie will.
Centrum Silver supports
And David will
cognitive health
probably
and
eat
growth.
some.
Now come unpack this one with us. Kofi Kingston.
I'm telling you, I'm getting so sick.
He comes with some rubber hands, the wing bell. That's the best actually. Y'all be seeing some trouble in paradise.
Huh? You want some? Ariel?
Apple juice.
They didn't have no apple juice, baby, when they moved her to the store. So I'm sure gonna get y'all some.
Now I guess it can't really. We only got one tag team belt. He can be doing a couple of things.
And when it seems everything's wrong and the pressure is on, that's when it's time to be strong. Just look in the mirror and wipe your face. Step up to the plate, cause it's time to be great. So come on and embrace the new day. Come on and live life a new way. Don't stop till you reach the top. And while them haters keep hating, you'll be winning a race.
It's a new day. Yes, it is.
He came with on the back. You'll see them. Roman Reigns himself, Drew McIntyre, aka the Scottish Warrior, and the Fiend, Bray Wyatt.
What is all this? Whose cord is this?
I think it's Moose. Yep, it's Moose's.
How many you want, darling?
Man, I can't wait if I get the Usos.
3?
Biggie versus the Usos. Yeah, so my video of Edge packaging Edge didn't post. I'll try to post it after I post the picture. Alright, thank you guys. We'll be back for the next video.